Benton County, Missouri. A gorgeous landscape handcrafted for the cattle farmer and outdoorsman alike. The Bryan Bock estate consists of 548 acres located 14.5 miles from Lincoln and 18.5 miles from Warsaw, and will sell at iAuction ending December 18th. Comprised of improved pasture, cattle facilities, ponds, timber, and 2 homes, this farm is attractive as a working cattle ranch, residence with gorgeous views, building site, or hunting getaway. Tract 1 is 25 acres of gently rolling woodland. A 3-bed, 2.5-bath brick home with finished lower level, outbuilding, and a nice pond conveniently situated with State Highway W frontage. Tract 2 is made up of 23 acres of wood and pasture land with pond. Excellent building site along Highway W with recreational possibilities as well. Tract 3, 228 acres of pasture and timberland is a cattleman or hunter's dream. 60 acres of open land with pond is bordered by the balance of mature timber. Tract 4 consists of 182 acres of gently rolling and improved pasture, good fencing, working cattle facilities, concrete feed bunks, well, and rustic 2-bed, 1-bath home. Tract 5 is 90 acres of pasture and woods along the creek, great for deer and turkey hunting, includes a well, good fences, and Highway W access. To bid on this beautiful, versatile farm in Benton County, visit trophypa.com or call Dave Atkinson or Jerry Crutchfield for more information.